Sum number 5. A man has a recurring deposit account in a bank for 3.5 years. If the rate of interest is 12% per annum and the man gets rupees 10,206 on maturity installment. Solution. Let installment per month P be rupees Y. Number of month N 42. Rate of interest 12% per annum. Write the formula. P into interest is equals to P into n plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100. Therefore, interest is equals to Y into 42 into 43 upon 2 into 12 into R 12 upon 100. That is equals to rupees 9.03 Y. Maturity value is equals to P into N Y into 42 plus 9.03 Y. 42Y plus 9.03Y is 51.03Y. Therefore, maturity value is 10,206. Therefore, Y is equals to 10,206 upon 51.03 is equals to rupees 200. P is equals to rupees 200. Sum number 6. 1. Puneet has a recurring deposit account in the Bank of Baroda and deposits rupees 140 per month for 4 years. If he gets rupees 8,092 on maturity, find the rate of interest given by the bank. Solution. Installment per month P rupees 140. Number of month N 48. Let the rate of interest R is equals to R% per annum. Therefore, simple interest, write the formula P into N plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100. Substitute the value. P is 140, N is 48 into 49 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100. That is equals to rupees 137.20 R. Maturity value is equals to P into N plus I, interest. Maturity value is 8,092. P 140 into 48 is 6,720 plus 137.20 R. Therefore, 137.20 R equals to 8092 minus 6720. That is equals to 31372. Therefore, R is equals to 1372 upon 137.2. That is equals to 10%. Sixth, second part. David opened a recurring deposit account in a bank and deposited rupees 300 per month for 2 years. If he received rupees 7,725 at the time of maturity, find the rate of interest per annum. So, let the rate of interest R be R% per annum. Installment per month P is rupees 300. Number of months N is equals to 2 years, that is 24. Write the formula for interest and substitute. Simple interest is equals to P 300 into N 24, N plus 125 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100. That is equals to 75 R. Maturity value is equals to P into N plus interest. 300 into 24 plus 75 hour. Maturity is 7725. Therefore, 75 hour is equals to 7725 minus 7200 equals to 525. R is equals to 525 upon 75 equals to 7%. Sum number 7. Amit deposited rupees 150 per month in a bank for 8 months under the recurring deposit scheme. What will be the maturity value if he deposits? The rate of interest is 8% per annum and interest is calculated at the end of every month. Installment per month P rupees 150. Number of months and 8 months. Rate of interest 8% per annum. Write the formula. Interest is equals to P into n plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100. That is equals to 150 into 8 into 9 upon 2 into 12 into 8 upon 100 equal to 36. The amount that Manish will get at the time of maturity equals to 150 P into n plus interest, 150 into 8 plus 36, 1200 plus 36, that is rupees 1236. Sum number 8. Mrs. Geeta deposited rupees 350 per month in a bank for 1 year and 3 months under the recurring deposit scheme. If the maturity value of her deposit is rupees 5,565, find the rate of interest per annum. Let rate of interest per annum R is equals to R% per annum. Installment per month P rupees 350. Number of months and 15. Simple interest, write the formula, is equals to P into n plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100. That is equals to 350 into 15 into 16 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100. Interest is equals to 35 R. Maturity value is equals to P into n plus I. 350 into 15 plus 35 R. Maturity value is 5,565 is equals to 5,250 plus 35 R. Therefore, 35 R is equals to 5,565 minus 5,250. 35 R is equals to 315. R is equals to 315 upon 35 equals to 9%.